It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Today we've got a beer from Northern Monk Brewing Company, and it's a can of beer that I picked up in ASDA, a double IPA. A double hazy IPA at 8% ABV. And it's called Outcast Nova, gigantic double hazy IPA. Northern Monk Brewing Company, based in Leeds, Yorkshire. This is in a 440ml can. It's sort of, do you know what this reminds me of a little bit? It's got a little bit of sort of like Beavertown stuff going on, but without the skeletons. It's more hops as spiders in orange liquid. Tentacles in the background, and I quite like it. It's quite interesting. The beer was £3.50 in ASDA, but if you pick up three canned beers in ASDA, similar to this, you get the fourth free. So you're buying them then, instead of £3.50, they're coming in at sort of like £2.77 per can, which is pretty damn awesome then, really, isn't it? So, without further ado, let's get this out into a glass and see what we get. I'm going to say it because I've said it for a while. I've had a sort of like an upturn in... The beers from Northern Monk over the last year have been really good. But I'm still going to say you never quite know what you're going to get from Northern Monk. You never quite know what you're going to get. You don't know if you're going to get an amazing beer or something, sadly, which is bang average. Over the last year, buying their beers in the supermarkets, the beers have been better. Much, much better. So a thumbs up for me on that sort of, on that upturn in quality. I just hope it continues. And let's hope it continues with this. We've got a one finger white head. It's a hazy looking beer. Good levels of carbonation. I'm not going to call it... it's difficult, isn't it? It's not quite straw coloured, this. It's a very, very light amber. Bordering straw coloured. No sediment in the bottom of the glass, but nice and hazy and unfiltered, so there's probably oats in the beer. Let's get the aroma then. Come on, I'm hoping this is going to be good. Come on, Northern Monk. And I'll be honest with you, I just reviewed a Polly's Brew Co. beer from Morrison's. 5.4% ABV, and this has a very sort of similar, but a bit more dank. A bit more like the aroma's hidden, the flavour's hidden away in the liquid, which I quite like. I like the aroma on this. It's oaty, it's a little bit rich. It smells like hop soup. But with tinned pineapple, like you've just opened a tin of pineapple and you've drank the juice out of the pineapple tin, you know, that sort of sticky glucosey syrup. There's a bit of that in there. Orange peel, tangerine aromas. Very soft on the aroma. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. Let's dive in. Cheers, everybody. There's lots I like about this beer, but I'm going to go in for a second taste. It's really rich and creamy and soft. There's flavours of passion fruit and mango, tangerine, orange and a touch of pineapple. That sort of slight liquid tin pineapple juice from the bottom of the tins coming through here. And I quite like the finish on the beer too. It's quite warming in the throat. That 8% ABV leaves you with this nice sort of alcohol warming in the throat that slides down into the pit of the stomach. I like that. I do. I like that from Northern Monk. I just feel like a lot of these breweries now, your Tiny Rebels, your Northern Monks, even to an extent your Thornbridges and your main craft brewers, the ones who have survived, because we've lost Magic Rock Brewing Company. Magic Rock have gone, who would have thought that? Beavertown they're sort of like muddling along, aren't they? Not really doing much. But they've gone back to basics. These companies that are surviving in the supermarket at the moment, and I use the word survival because, well, we all seem to be surviving, don't we, at the moment? But the ones that are hanging on, the ones that are surviving have gone back to basics. They've gone back to what they know best, and that is to produce solid IPAs, solid double IPAs, pale ales that people know and they want to drink. They've stopped, and I'm glad this has happened. They've stopped messing around making sprinkled donut beers and like real strange IPAs and pale ales that supposedly taste like ice cream. All that seems to be in the past. And I'm really happy for it. I'm really happy to see that stuff go by in the rear view mirror and say goodbye, never want to see that stuff again. This is good, honest, hazy, double IPA in the supermarket that you can frequently get wherever you live in the UK, because we've all got an ASDA nearby, unless you live in the Highlands of Scotland. Or mid Wales maybe. It's just super drinkable, super refreshing, the warming sensation of that 8% ABV, lots of sort of malt coming through, lots of oats coming through in a creamy sense, and a sort of a lovely creamy rich flavour. And then the hops come through, the passion fruit, the mango, the orange peel, the fleshy blood orange, the tin pineapple. It's another good beer. It's another good beer from Northern Monk Brewing Company. Pick it up in ASDA. That's their Outcast Nova, an 8% ABV gigantic double hazy IPA. And at £2.77 a can, I would argue that's really good value for money. It's really good value for money if you buy it on a 4 for 3 deal. I like that beer enough to give it, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 from Reload Craft Beer. I hope you liked the video. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.